So, Glenn, I see the cake, but what's this?
So these are the most watched cottage cheese pancakes on YouTube.
Okay, I'm not really familiar with cottage cheese pancakes.
So we made that cottage cheese. I made these pancakes.
Okay.
A bit of a fail, but I don't know if it was me or the recipe.
Okay.
It was an ASMR recipe, so the recipe was second to the sound. Really, that's what it comes down to. So I'm
Oh,
gonna...
hold on.
I know.
Are you listening to me too?
No.
No?
No.
I'm sorry.
No.
No? Oh, sorry.
So I'm going to revisit that one, but that's not what we're here to talk about.
Okay, not
We're here to talk
that.
about this Depression era orange cake.
I like cake,
So I had those oranges left over from making the orangeade,
which was really good.
which was really good.
I'm just going to do a wee little cube here.
And so I thought I'd make this orange cake.
Maybe.
And the problem is, like most recipes in this book, or like many recipes in this book,
I assume you know what you're doing?
it's just a list of ingredients. There are no instructions whatsoever.
It's a beautiful color.
It is. So I started out by grinding up the orange. But it doesn't say whether it's just the orange or the orange and the peel. So I erred on the side of the caution. Waste not, want not. I put the whole orange in and ground it up. And I was afraid that I hadn't ground it fine enough, but it looks like I have.
Smells good.
And then it just comes together like a regular cake. So you mix together your dry ingredients. Then you cream the butter until it's nice, light, and airy. Cream in the sugar. Once that's all together, beat in the egg. Then beat in the buttermilk. Stir in the flour. Stir in the raisins. And then you stir in the chopped up orange. But of course, it doesn't tell me what size pan or how hot. So I chose 350, I chose a 9x9 pan, and I think it worked out.
Well, it smells great. It seems really soft and moist.
And there's raisins in there too.
Because
You put raisins in everything, yeah.
That was really quite light and refreshing. Like, that's an afternoon tea cake kind of thing.
Yeah. I would jettison the raisins.
Of course you would, because you don't like raisins in anything.
I like it. No. I would jettison the raisins. Because the raisins don't match the orange flavor.
I didn't get any raisins in mine,
No.
so. But okay. Yeah, so raisins, no raisins. Maybe there's something else you like with oranges that orange would complement orange.
That
better?
orange flavor is really good, isn't it?
Yeah. I think putting the whole orange in was a wise decision.
Yeah. I was a little afraid of the pith because a lot of people
Pith can make it bitter.
can make it bitter.
Well, you take a look at your orange, right? If you.
Yeah, this was a navel orange. It didn't have a whole lot of pith, and it was that is amazing. So I glossed over how to make this because really, you just kind of throw everything.
Gave you the same instructions we got.
Actually gave you more instructions than I got. But this is a winner. This is a winner. I think this is a great cake. And you could do this in 2 smaller rounds and then put a very light icing on it.
A lemony.
Yeah, or an orange.
Or ginger.
Ginger.
Ooh, ginger might actually go really well in there.
Ginger would go really well in there, wouldn't it?
Maybe.
Yeah.
With candied ginger instead of raisins?
Instead of the raisins, because that orange and ginger would really work
Potentially.
well.
I think so. I don't know, but yeah, I would think so.
Maybe we'll revisit this one and make some changes.
There's always revisiting.
Thanks for stopping by. See you again soon.
Enjoy your cake.